Hello friends, once again welcome to Aifer Education. Happy learning. We are discussing one of the important topic, in logical reasoning, that is Indian logic. So we were discussing about Anumana. We have already discussed about the terms of Anumana and avyavas of Anumana. So now we will be discussing the types of Anumana. So there are different types of Anumana. So it's specifically stated in the syllabus. So when it comes to types of Anumana, first of all, there are three different classifications of Anumana according to three different principles. Okay, based on the principle, Anumana is classified into three different classifications. Okay, Anumana is classified into three different things. So the first one, we have according to purpose. Okay, we have according to purpose. Anumana is classified into two kinds, so Artha and Prartha Anumana. According to causal relation, Anumana is of three kinds, Sheshavad, Purvavat and Samannidodrishta. Okay, so then third one, according to the application, okay, Anumana is of three kinds, Kevalanvaya, Kevala Vidiregi and Anvaya Vidiregi. Okay, so let's try to learn each of them. Yeah, so we have the first one, according to the purpose, Anumana is of two kinds. Okay, so according to the purpose, we can say Anumana is two kinds. So we have the first one, Swartha Anumana or Anumana for oneself. Okay, so firstly we have Swartha Anumana or Anumana for oneself, and next we have Prartha Anumana or Anumana for others. So let's try to understand. So firstly we have Swartha Anumana. Swartha Anumana is when we infer something for convincing oneself. For example, I'm asking you, I have already discussed Indian philosophies and the differences. If I ask you, is it clear for you? And if you ask the question yourself and based from your brain, from your heart, you are convinced about that. Okay, you are convinced about that, then you say that I have got it. So that's what Swartha Anumana. Here we infer something for oneself, for one's conviction. That's what Swartha Anumana. Then Prartha Anumana means when we infer something for convincing others. Okay, I have explained this a lot of time. Still you are not clear, but when I ask you, you say, yeah, I'm clear. Okay, I'm clear. So that's what we have. Okay, so that's what we have, Prartha Anumana. Okay, so that's what we have, Prartha Anumana. Okay, so that's what we have, Prartha Anumana. So according to causal relationship, okay, so yeah, Prartha Anumana. Then moving to the second one, according to the causal relationship, I have already told Anumana is of three kinds. We have Purvavat, Sheshavad and Samannidodrishta. Purvavat is when we infer an unperceived effect from a perceived cause. Okay, so we have Purvavat. Okay, so we have Purvavat when we infer. Okay, when we infer unperceived effect from a perceived cause, that's what we have Purvavat. Okay, when we infer an unperceived effect from a perceived cause, we have it as Purvavat. What is mean by this? What is unperceived effect? So here we have dark clouds in the sky in the morning and we infer future rain from the dark clouds. So unperceived effect is we are yet to perceive the rain, but based on the perceived cause, the cause which we can see, that's a dark cloud. So when we, based on the dark clouds, we can see, we conclude that there is a chance of rain. Okay, based on the dark clouds, and we conclude there is a chance of rain, then that's what we have, Purvavat inference. Okay, that's what we have, Purvavat inference. Okay, that's what we have, Purvavat inference here. Okay, so that's Purvavat. So here we infer, okay, we infer an unperceived effect from a perceived cause. Okay, here we infer an unperceived effect from a perceived cause. Okay, then we have, okay, then we have Sheshavad inference. Okay, then we have Sheshavad inference. When it comes to Sheshavad inference, we infer an unperceived cause from a perceived effect. In Sheshavad, we infer unperceived cause from a perceived effect, which means here we have perceived the effect. Okay, in Sheshavad, we have perceived the effect. That's we infer rain based on the muddy current flow of the river. So muddy current flow of the river is a perceived effect. Okay, based on that we are inferring the unperceived cause, that's a rainfall. So in Sheshavat, based on the perceived effect, we will be inferring the unperceived cause. Okay, based on the perceived effect, we will be inferring the unperceived cause, that's a Sheshavat. Okay, that's a Sheshavat. Then moving to the next one, Samanya Dodrishta inference. Okay, moving to the next one, we have Samanya Dodrishta inference. Okay, Samanya Dodrishta inference, we have when two things happen together. In case of Purvavad and Sheshavat, we have two things happening in different times. But when it comes to Samanya Dodrishta, okay, when it comes to Samanya Dodrishta, we have two things happening at two different times. Okay, when we have two things happening at two different times. So here we have moon is moving periodically around the sun, earth is moving periodically around the sun. So we can say moon and earth are moving around the sun. So here both the things are happening together. So this is Samanya Dodrishta. So we have Purvavad based on the perceived cause, we are inferring the unperceived effect. Sheshavad based on the perceived effect, we are inferring the unperceived cause. Samanya Dodrishta, something happens together. So this is a second classification of Anumana based on the causal relationship. Based on the causal relationship. And moving to the third one. Okay, moving to the third one. According to the application, okay, according to the application, we have Anumana of three kinds. Okay, according to the application, we have Anumana of three types, three kinds. So we have Keval Anvayi, okay, Kevala Vediregi and Anvaya Vediregi. So according to the application, we have Anumana of three kinds, Keval Anvayi, Kevala Vediregi and Anvaya Vediregi. So when it comes to Keval Anvayi, when the relationship is positive or affirmative, we call it as Keval Anvayi. Here we have all smoky objects are fiery. The hill has smoky, therefore the hill has fire. So this is an affirmative relationship. That's what we call as positive relationship. So we have Keval Anvaya. When there is a positive relationship, we have Keval Anvaya. And when it comes to Kevala Vediregi, when we have a negative relationship, okay, here we have no non-fiery objects. Okay, no non-fiery objects. So it's a negative relationship. So Kevala Vediregi is when we have a negative relationship. And when it comes to Anvaya Vediregi, we have, okay, when it comes to Anvaya Vediregi, we have both. Okay, when it comes to Anvaya Vediregi, we have both, what we can say, relationship as, okay, positive and negative relationship within a single thing. Or here we have both positive and negative relationship within a single thing. That is all smoky, we have all smoky objects are fiery. Okay, we have all smoky objects are fiery. The hill is smoky. Similarly, we have no non-fiery objects are smoky. So we have all smoky objects are fiery. The hill is smoky and no non-fiery. Both are present in the same thing. That is, we have, okay, what we can say, Anvaya Vediregi. So I will be just revising. Based on the application, Anumana is of three kinds. Keval Anvaya, where we have a positive relationship. Kevala Vediregi, where we have a negative relationship. And Anvaya Vediregi, where we have both the positive and negative relationship in the same thing. So, and based on the causal relationship, Anumana is of three types. Purvavad, we infer unperceived effect based on the perceived cause. Sheshavad, based on the perceived effect, we infer the unperceived cause. Samanya Dodrishta, something happens together. And Swarthanumana, convention for ones. And Prarthanumana, okay, we have convention for convincing for others. So these are the types of Anumana. I hope it's clear. We'll be discussing more in the upcoming videos. So as to make sure you receive all those videos, upcoming videos, subscribe to Aifer Education YouTube channel, and to join our paper 1 online course, visit our website www.aifer.in. That's it. Thank you.